Go.
So here I am at Hot Wire Foam Factory, and these guys have absolutely amazing tools and techniques for how to mold, cut, and use foam in your haunts. So Victoria, if you could please give us some information about what you guys have here.
Hi, how you guys doing?
Doing well.
Awesome. Well, today we're here at Fear Expo with our hot wire tools. We're just showing people how to cut foam and how to make it easier so they can work with their home and professional haunts. Just how fast and easy our tools can cut and carve.
And none of the foam fluff that ends up everywhere.
No foam fluff, no foam snow. We do all sorts of cool creative things, jagged edges, make tombstones. We have from the small tools to do dioramas, tombstones, all the way up to our larger industrial tools to do professional haunts, faux walls, brick, stone, anything you really imagine, construction. We have it all here, all ready to go. We're running show specials all weekend.
Okay, great. Tell me about the specials you guys have.
Okay, well, depending on the person, we like to do creative show specials.
Mm-hmm.
One thing, all our kits come with at least a minimum of $20 worth of free wires with everything. Our
Okay.
industrial tools have $40 worth of free wires added to them. And then, depending on the purchase, we'll do different individual specials as well for packages.
Awesome, lovely. So it looks like you can even form and move, transform the wires into your own styles as well.
Our freehand router, this one's really great for modeling and dioramas when you do the wire in just a random shape. And it helps when you plug them in first.
You might want to take this
We'll see.
Do all sorts of neat little.
So we have
Very cool.
this one.
That's really cool.
And then
This
social
one's an
media.
instant text.
And so where can people find you if they're not here at Fear Expo?
They can find us at hotwirefoamfactory.com.
Okay.
We have a Facebook page, Instagram, anywhere. My name's Victoria. You can email me at hotwirefoamfactory, Victoria at hwfs.com, and I can help you out with anything you need.
Great. Thank you so much, Victoria. Love what you guys have.
Thank you, guys. You have a great day. Enjoy Fear Expo.
All right. Thank you.
Sign off.
Oh, and we're going to move on and see who else we can find.